hammered the hell out of it. So. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is raining here in the great state of Minnesota, and what better thing to do than review another product for you guys. Today we got VEVOR's 1/2-inch impact driver, so we're gonna unbox her, play with it, and review it and see what it's all about. Let's get started. Here is the impact driver, and then it comes with some oil and some bits. Here's a little air chuck that has a little swivel one, and some oil and a little Allen key. Here is the manual right off the bat. So there is your 1/2-inch driver. This is all metal. This is all metal. This is plastic. Here is where your air will go in, and you're gonna need to put your swivel chuck on there. Swivel that came onto it. Should always put some Teflon tape in there. There you go. Now that can just go on your quick release chuck on your air compressor. So this button seems pretty nice, but we'll see what it is when we turn it on. On the back, you got a forward and reverse switch. Pretty nice, I like that where that's at. But yeah, seems pretty hefty, heavy duty. We're gonna go ahead and plug her in and see what she's all about. Before you guys fire something like this, a pneumatic tool up, you should just always lubricate her up. Anything such as WD-40 or any other oil that you got laying around, you can squirt in here. Since it is pneumatic, you don't want your air compressor pushing air to it that has moisture in it and rusted inside. So I always go ahead and just lubricate her up with some WD-40 or whatever oil I have laying around, and yeah, it's a good tip to always do. And now she's ready to fire up. Okay, so we are at my vehicle right now. We are going to try to break the lug nuts with this VEVOR 1/2-inch driver. I haven't taken these lug nuts off more than maybe a year and a half, even though I need some new tires, as you can tell right here. So let's go ahead and see if we can break some of these nuts. Oh, that came off no problem. Okay, so we'll try it again. We're gonna go ahead and take this one off. Well, that came off no problem too. So these have been sitting for quite some time, so I'm glad to see that it can take off, you know, ones that have been sitting for at least a year, 2 years. We'll do it for a third time just to see. Again, 3 out of 3. I am pretty happy with that. For most of the things I'm going to use this tool for is probably stuff like this, especially if I'm out of battery on my bigger Milwaukee impact driver. Glad to see that this works perfectly fine for my tires. I wonder what it would be like if you put this against a semi-truck's lug nuts. That would have a difficult time. I don't really have a way of measuring. I do have this rusty bolt and nut on this D-ring. We're gonna go ahead and just crank her down as hard as we can and see if we can back her out. If we can do that, be pretty happy. We'll see if we could break her. This has been rusting for quite a while. So I'll just throw her in this vise here. Oh, no problem. We're gonna flip it the other way. Here, better yet. I got this Milwaukee 1/2-inch, and we're gonna try to break her with this VEVOR gun. Let's see if we can break the bolt. We just hammered the hell out of her, so let's just see if this can now break it. You can see the different sizes. This one is much bigger. This is the Milwaukee Fuel 1/2-inch versus VEVOR's 1/2-inch driver that's pneumatic. Let's see if we could break her free. Broken free. That's going to be it for today, guys. If you guys are interested in this product, the link will be in the description below. Go check out VEVOR at vevor.com or on Amazon at just VEVOR. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.